For this session, we will explore how the textile sector contributes to water pollution, particularly through microfiber emissions, and how innovation can help address this challenge. We will also discuss the important role the small and medium-sized enterprises, or practically SMEs, play in developing practical solutions for water protection and environmental sustainability. In this session, my presentation is divided in two parts. First, we will look at innovation within textile sectors. My colleague from Albania explained something about that, and I will repeat something the same. And then we will focus on SMEs as drivers of environmental innovation and regional cooperation. So, today we aim to better understand the connection between textiles and microplastic pollution, explore and innovative materials and technologies. We heard about innovative materials from our Tamara today, and review example already available on the market and discuss how SMEs can contribute to cleaner water and more circular economy. And also, I hope we will also identify opportunities for cooperation and future projects within IPA Adrian region. So we can go with our slide, Tomislav. Why does the textile sector matter? When discussing microplastic pollution, many people immediately think of plastic packaging or waste in rivers and oceans. However, one of the largest and often overlooked sources of microplastic comes from synthetic textiles, as my colleagues explains before me today. Every time we wash clothes made from polyester, nylon, acrylic, or similar synthetic materials, tiny fibers are released. These fibers are so small that many pass through wastewater system and eventually reach rivers, lakes, and marine ecosystems. From there, they can enter to food chain and affect aquatic organisms. Recent studies suggest that synthetic textiles account for a significant share of primary microplastic pollution worldwide. This means that improving textile production and consumption practices can have major impact on reducing pollution. Can we go on the next slide, please? Next slide. One of the most promising long-term solutions is transition toward more sustainable textile materials. Traditional synthetic fibers and derived from fossil fuels and persistent in the environment many years. In contrast, alternatives such as organic cotton, hemp, linen, lyocell, and regenerated cellulose fibers can offer lower environmental impacts. Researchers are also developing innovative bio-based materials and biodegradable polymers. However, it's important to remember that not all bio-based materials degrade in the same way or under the same environmental condition. More research is still needed. I think that it is still needed to understand their behavior in aquatic environments. The key message here is simple. The most effective microfiber pollution is the pollution that never occurs in the first place. Next slide, please. Another important strategy focuses on prevention microfiber from entering wastewater system during laundry. A single washing cycle can release thousands or even millions microscopic fibers. Although wastewater treatment plants remove many of these particles, what we see in my presentation before, prevention at the source is often more effective and less costly. Several technologies are already available. These include built-in washing machine filters, external filtration unit, specialized laundry bags, and laundry balls. My colleague from Albania explained in detail this solution. And the research shows that some of these solutions can capture more than 80 or even 90% of released fibers. As awareness grows, several countries are considering regulation that would require microfiber filters in new washing machine. We saw in the presentation of my colleague from Albania that one good example from France. Um, Regarding filter solution, please next slide. Different households require different solutions. Built-in filters are integrated directly into washing machines and can achieve high capture efficiency. External filters, my colleague from Albania also presented effective of external filters that can be added to existing machines and are often highly effective. And laundry bags offer a simple solution requiring no installation at all. What I want to say here that the important point is that practical technology already exists and can be implemented immediately. Capturing fibers before they enter wastewater system is generally easier than removing them later. We saw in my presentation before 20 minutes that many solutions for wastewater treatment plants it is a very requested technology project and big financial sources we have to have for wastewater treatment plants. So capturing fibers before they entering into wastewater system is generally easier than removing them later. My colleague also explained about the case study from here. Next slide, please, Tomislav. Yes, it is one very good example of innovation comes from Slovenia. I want to say that before this Mission for Water project and including our project partner for Planet Care in our project in Bosnia and Herzegovina, it is first time to hear about this innovation. So I think that it's very important to present Planet Care experience and to awareness of our public about this innovation. Planet Care has developed external microfiber filter that can be installed on the existing washing machine. Also, my colleague from Albania also presented Gapi Friend, one good innovation. It is one good example. Unlike filtration system, this solution requires no installation. Next slide, please. Namely, synthetic garments are simply placed inside the bag during washing. The bag reduces fiber shedding and retains detached fiber, allowing user to dispose of them properly. This example highlights an important point. Technology alone is not enough. Consumer behavior also plays a significant role in reducing environmental impact. Also, what is important to say is next slide, and to explain is industrial systems for reducing emissions. While household laundry receives significant attention, industrial textile production is also an important source of pollution. Textile manufacturing processes often involve large amounts of water and may release fibers, dyes, and other contaminants. To address these challenges, manufacturers increasingly use advanced treatment technologies such as membrane filtration, process water recycle system, and closed-loop water management. These solutions not only reduce pollution but also improve resource efficiency and lower operation costs. This demonstrates that environmental protection and economic performance can often go hand in hand. Regarding our experience from this project and communication with my colleague from other country, Mission for Water project country, regarding industrial pollution, especially from textile. I want to note here that in our countries we have water laws, and all industry have to have water permit and environmental permit, and have to have a wastewater treatment plant during the technological process before they discharge their wastewater after processes. And next slide, please. What is important to say, and very important to prevent water protection, is circular economy in the textile sector. It is good point for water protection. Regarding the traditional textile industry, largely follows a linear model: produce, consume, and dispose. This approach generates significant waste and resource consumption, but circular economy proposes one new and different model. Products are designed for durability, repair, reuse, and recycle. Materials remain in circulation for as long as possible, reducing demand of virgin resources. In the textile sector, circular approaches include repair programs, fiber-to-fiber recycling, take-back schemes, and rental services. These practices reduce waste generation, greenhouse emissions, and microplastic pollution while creating new economic opportunities. Regarding our experience from Bosnia and also from other Western Balkan countries, we are practically at the beginning of circular economy, especially in the textile sector. So, but it's a good point that we have started with our legislation to support circular economy in the textile sector. I prepared one case study, Patagonia case study. Next slide, please, regarding circular economy. Patagonia is often considered a global leader in sustainable business practices. Through initiatives such as the Born Wear program, the company encourages customers to repair, reuse, and resell products rather than replace them. Patagonia also invests heavily in recycled materials and support research related to microfiber pollutions. Its experience demonstrates that environmental responsibility can become competitive advantage and a driver of innovations. Regarding innovative SMEs and startup solutions, many breakthrough environmental innovation originate from SMEs and startups. Their flexibility allows them to test new ideas rapidly and respond quickly to emerging challenges. Across Europe, SMEs are developing smart textile materials, biodegradable fibers, microfiber capture technology, AI-based monitoring systems, and circular economy platforms. So we can say that these companies often collaborate with university and research institutions to transform research results into practical solutions. Can we go on the next slide, please? Please. I want to say something about the role of SMEs in water protection. SMEs represent the majority of business in Europe and play a crucial role in environmental protection because they are often highly specialized and flexible. They can identify challenges and develop targeted solutions faster than a larger organization. Next slide, please. Innovation from SMEs cover a wide range of areas from water treatment and environmental monitoring to circular economy solutions and nature-based approaches. Please, next slide. Green enterprise view environmental challenges as opportunities. Rather than simply respond to regulation, they develop products and services that help solve environmental problems. In the water sector, Opportunities exist in monitoring technology, smart sensors, wastewater treatments, and sustainable materials. These innovations contribute not only to environmental protection but also to economic growth and job creation. Next slide, please. I will say something about cross-sector collaboration. Innovation rarely happens in isolation. Successful environmental projects often require cooperation among business, university, research center, municipality, public utility or civil society organization. This collaboration enables knowledge exchange, technology transfer, and shared use of infrastructure. And what is important is, most importantly, is it reduces innovation risk and increases the likelihood of successful implementation. Next slide, please. Regarding one of the key challenges of SMEs is access to funding. Fortunately, numerous European programs support environmental innovation. Examples include Horizon Europe, LIFE, Interreg, and Adrian programs, as well as national innovation funds. Funders typically look for projects with strong innovation potential, measurable environmental benefits, and opportunities for replication. We have excellent experience in Bosnia and Herzegovina from one live project before 20 years. It is an excellent opportunity for new green innovation project. Next slide, please. Regarding opportunities for Adrian cooperation, countries across the Adrian region face many common challenges related to water management, pollution control, and especially, and what is very important today, climate adaptation. These shared challenges create excellent opportunities for our corporation. Joint pilot project, technology transfer activities, living laboratories, and research partnership can accelerate innovation while reducing cost and risks. Regional cooperation is one of the most effective ways to increase the impact of environmental solutions. And next slide, please. Regarding ideas, from ideas to pilot.
Sorry, we lost you for the last 20 seconds.
And access to funding are key factors for success. And what I want to say at the end, and let me conclude with a few key messages. In the textile sector, prevention and research remains essential.
Sorry, we lost you again for the last few seconds.
It might be because of the weather, because it seems like it's gonna rain probably.
Companies.
Yeah, I don't know what's the reason. But unfortunately, I'm afraid that the connection is bad or something. I don't know, Sabina, if you can hear us. Let's just wait for one more minute to see if reconnecting will work. Is it better now, Sabina? Can you hear us? Oh.
Sorry, Tomislav, it's problem with internet because in Sarajevo is in weather situation.
Oh, now we hear you better.
Yeah. But I think at the end I don't know where stop my presentation, but through collaboration, funding opportunities, and pilot projects, they can transform innovative ideas into real world solutions that protect water resources. I hope that within our project we will have one good innovation. We will set one good innovation to protect our water. So I call all participants of our from our webinar today to contact us to prepare one new project, one new idea to prevent water pollution, especially related microplastic pollution.